Hello everyone. So my topic for today is guest service. So starting with we have what is guest service. In simple words, guest service is the service or amenities or facilities or the help provided by the hotel staff to its guest. And all these service or facilities can be provided before the guest stay in the hotel or during the guest stay or after the guest check out from the hotel. I have included some of the important and some popular services provided by the hotel to the guest in this video. So they are, first of all, we have accommodation request. Now this is the service or the facilities provided by the hotel before the guest checks into the hotel, that is processing with the reservation request from the guest. Now this is before the guest stay, and like let's say we have monetary transaction. This can also be the service that can be provided before the guest stay, like when the guest makes a reservation, the reservation agent will ask for the advance deposit. So this is a kind of service that is provided before the guest stay, and this can also be done during the guest stay and after the guest stay in the hotel. Like during the guest stay there will be credits and debits in the guest account, and hotel also provides a service of or the facilities to its in-house guests of currency exchange if they would like to exchange any foreign currency and have local currency from the hotel also. And we have mails and messages for the guest. We have baggage service also, that is luggage service, where guests can store their luggage in the hotel after their checkout also. And we also provide the luggage service like during the check-in and check-out to deliver the guest luggage to and from the room. And issuing of keys if the guest would like to have some more number of key cards for their room, then we also provide that service. And providing recommendation, this is one of the concierge service that the front desk or the concierge provides to his guest if they would like to know more about the city and know more about the town or country, anything else. And if they would like to, for instance, have some meal outside, then we also recommend the guest which restaurant or which hotel is providing the best specialty cuisine that the guest would like to have outside the hotel. And handling calls, we also handle call on behalf of guest, and we also provide wake up calls to the guest. And this is one of the type of guest service that we provide to the guest. And we have guest requests, like in the room if the guest would like to have any extra amenities, be it room amenities or bathroom amenities that they would like to have in their room during their stay, then we also provide such guest requests to the guest. So I would be explaining some details of some of the guest service that the hotel generally provide to the guest. Now first of all we have guest mail. Now guest mail is divided into incoming mail and outgoing mail. So simply we have incoming mail, those mail which come to the hotel, and outgoing mail, those mail which goes out from the hotel to some other places or to some person. And out of this incoming and outgoing mail, it can be divided into guest mail and hotel mails. So if it is a hotel mail, then the front desk or the bell desk, they will sort it out, and this mail, this hotel mail or the particular is sent to the particular concerned department. And if it is a guest mail, then it will be looked onto whether the guest is resident guest or whether the guest is departed or checked out guest, or whether the guest is arriving to the hotel to stay in future. So if the guest is a resident guest, then if the guest is in the room, then we just connect a call to the guest, or bill person or front desk agent will call to the guest and deliver the mail. Or if the guest is not in the room, so probably outside the hotel, then when he or she comes back to the hotel, then the front desk agent or the mail service will deliver the mail to the guest. And if it is a checked out guest, now if the guest have checked out and he is expecting a mail to him, then he will obviously leave his contact details or mailing address in the hotel, so that the hotel team will send his mail to the particular mailing address that the guest have provided. But if the guest have not provided the mailing address, or somehow the hotel received a mail and they don't have the forwarding address, then this type of mail will be sent back to the sender. And we have future guest. If the guest is arriving in the hotel in future and we have already received the mail on his behalf, then what we do is we just put it in the system, saying that in his reservation, saying that we have received a mail which can be delivered during the time of check-in. So same is delivered to the guest during the time of check-in. And we have very important mail logbook. So whenever we deliver the mail, or whenever we receive the mail, we keep record of all the mails in order not to miss out anything, or in order to keep as a record or a proof to show that a receiver or a sender will keep the details of all the mails. So for that we have mail logbook, which is maintained at bell decks or concierge decks, or be it in the front decks in any small hotels. Now moving on, we have second, guest messages. Now guest messages, we follow the similar process with guest mail. Now messages can be delivered verbally or on written mode. Like if the guest is inside the hotel only, then we can just connect a call and deliver the message. Then if the guest is outside the hotel, we can just deliver the same message once the guest is back to the hotel. And on written mode, we also deliver the message by recording in the guest messages, that is in the reservation option. Then we can just print it and deliver to his room. And it can also be delivered to the resident, departed, or future guest, like I have explained in the guest mail. Like if it is a resident, we can just connect a call and make it to the deliver to the guest. And if it is a departed guest, then we can just contact the guest and deliver the messages. Once he have departed, then he will certainly leave his forwarding details, like contact details, so that we can contact and deliver the same message. And for future guest, same message can be recorded in the guest reservation, and which can be delivered orally or on written mode during the time of check-in. Now we have handling left luggage. Now left luggage means storage of luggage once the guest checkouts from the hotel. Now hotel also provide such service if the guests would like to leave their luggage in the hotel for some particular period of time after they check out from the hotel. So for that we have a left luggage tag, which would be tagged, and there would be 2 copies of luggage tag, and one is handed over to the guest by the bell person, and this is usually carried out by the bell decks. And one is retained with the luggage, and all the details will be recorded in the luggage tag, how many numbers of luggage is there, and what was his previous room, and when he is going to collect it, and what is the date of storage. And we have left luggage register. So once the left luggage is tagged and handed over to the guest, then the bellboy fills up the left luggage register and keep the record in the left luggage register. And issuance of left luggage. So whenever guest comes to collect the left luggage, then the guest is required to present the luggage, a copy of luggage tag, and the bell person will verify the same with the luggage tag and the details in the luggage register, and they would if the details matches the same, then they will deliver the left luggage to the guest. Now we have wake up calls. Like this can also be called as handling of calls of the guest. Now this is usually controlled or operated by telephone operator or communication section, and for any wake up call request, we register in a wake up call register so that we don't miss any wake up calls. Wake up calls can also be put into the guest reservation, like for any guest who would like to have wake up calls, then we can put it in the guest reservation option as wake up call, and once the wake up call is done, then we can update the wake up call status, that is completed, not answered, or pending, or cancelled. Now safety deposit. Now this is a service provided by the hotel front office, and this is usually found in front office, back office, or nearby the lobby. Like this is basically for the guests to store their valuable items or documents like jewelries, their passport and all, if they would like to store in the hotel. And for all this kind of request or for this service, hotel will have a safety deposit locker register, for which the guest, all the details of the guest and the details of the valuable item that is stored in the safety deposit will be recorded there. And once the guest takes it, then it will be resolved it. We have next is room move or room change. We also move the guest room, and this is one of the common service provided by the front desk. Now we have live move and dead move. Live move means, like, if we change the guest room in presence of the guest, then it will be called as live move. And dead move is the move of room in absence of the guest. And we have to do the same in the PMS also once the room move is done. And we have to communicate to the concerned departments like housekeeping, then F&B. Generally we informed it to in-room dining section of the front F&B department. And guests usually would like to move the room if they don't get the room as per their choice, and if one or more equipment or facilities in the room are not working satisfactorily, and if the number of occupants in the room changes, like if they have previously requested for 2 occupants, then later if the guest is coming 4, then we also have to change it to a bigger room. Then hotel would like to change the room if the requested category of room by the guest is not available during the time of check-in, then or maybe during the time of upgrade of the guest, we have to move the room. And in case if there is any overstay, or if there is any guest have extended their stay, then we also need to change the guest room if we are expecting the same room to be occupied by the incoming guest. Now guest paging. In simple, this is locating the guest in a particular area of the hotel. Now it can be in any outlets or any facilities or any services in the hotel that the guest might be using, and if he or she is expecting a visitor, then we can just add a locator in the guest reservation, and when such visitor come asking to the front desk, then we can easily trace the guest reservation or locator. Then we can locate, or the bellboy can go escort the guest visitor to the particular outlets or particular section in the hotel and locate the guest. And this is the end of my video, so keep watching, and thank you so much.